Alright guys, we're at Swamp Camp Island. We have a piece of computer shad on. So check it out here and see what we'll get. Stay tuned. Alright, Mr. Zach.
Yes, sir.
Live on the scene with Midnight Hookers. Alright guys, you're live with Team Midnight Hookers. Some of the Bottom Feeders Fishing Club members. Mr. Zach Parker, Joey Suggs. Old Zach with a nice flathead last week. Down here at Swamp Camp Island.
There he is.
Back with another nice blue this week.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Look, here's that.
What y'all know about Swamp Camp?
That was a Swamp Camp donkey. There you go. That's a nice fish. Talk to us, boy.
Yes, sir. Tell me who daddy is.
Hey, bottom feeders.
That's right.
All right, guys, we're going to get them back in the water and get back to fishing.
Where's the fish?
Guys, we're right up here from the water. We're going to re-weigh him real quick. Let Joey get a weight on him. £29. 29, right on. All right, let's go get her back in the water. Let them go, let them grow. Every ounce counts. You see that shirt. Try to get these pictures and videos as quick as possible, guys. Get these fish back in the water. See, make sure these fish swim off good and strong. We don't have a live well back out here with us, so we want to make sure we get them right back in the water. Good job, brother. What you think about it?
Stay tuned. There will be more.
That's right. You got one, Joe? Oh, yeah. Well, I'm going to have to put the camera down, get the net to get that one for you. Y'all stay tuned.